Hello doers, my name is Jose Ignacio. In this video, we're going to talk about a quick and easy way for your business to save time, partner autocomplete. So picture this, you've got a huge stack of leads to enter into your database. Now granted, it's a good problem to have. Some might say it's not even a problem at all, but those people aren't thinking about the time and effort required to enter all the information for each and every one of those leads. Email addresses, shipping addresses, billing addresses, phone numbers. There are so many details to enter, and let's be honest, plenty of opportunities for human error to come into play when you're typing all of this stuff up at 4:30 p.m. on a Friday. Well, doers, I tell you, you don't have to be a manual Daniel when it comes to entering contact information. You can be an auto? Okay, that's not a great rhyme, but you know what? With all the time that Partner Autocomplete is going to save us, we can think of something better. So let's get to it. Let's talk about what Partner Autocomplete is and what it can do for you. Partner Autocomplete enriches context in your Odoo database with corporate data. All you have to do is start typing the name of a business, and Autocomplete does the rest for you. That saves you time and effort as you grow your contacts. Partner Autocomplete is what we call an IAP service or in app purchase service. That means that it costs credits to use, one Partner Autocomplete credit per enrichment to be specific. For more info about credits, be sure to check out our video in the description below. Okay, enough talk. Let's actually get it and see it in action. So the first thing we need to do is make sure that Partner Autocomplete is enabled in the settings. So let's open up the settings application, and up at the top search bar, we're going to type in the word partner. Perfect. Then right here under the contact section, we're going to go ahead and give the Partner Autocomplete a nice little checkbox. Click if it isn't already active. And if it's your first time doing so, remember to hit save in the top left. Okay, with that out of the way, let's go back to our main dashboard over here. And this time around, we're going to go into the contacts application. Perfect. And select new. All right, so here we are on a new contact. And for this one, since we are looking for a company, make sure the toggle is set to company. If you were looking for a person, set it to person. And all we need to do is click into the name field right here and start typing away. So let's see what happens when we start doing this. If I type in TES, you look at that. You can see with just a few letters, there's a wealth of options right there available for us to choose from different ones, including the ability to search worldwide. And let's try it, in this case, for real with a company near and dear to Stealthy Woods' bottom line. So this time around, we're going to type in Odoo up at the top. And bam, look at that. Once we select it, automatically it acquires all of that information. We've got a phone number, a mailing address, a website, and even a logo over here. And boom, tax ID as well. Very handy when tax season rolls around. I ask you, is there anything better, or in this case, anything partner complete autocomplete can't do? Well, there's some things to keep in mind when using partner autocomplete. The first is that it works for company contacts, but not for people. So that person toggle up above. And in this case, when Stealthy Woods is entering the info for Wise Guys Inc., a very legitimate business, Partner Autocomplete kicks in and does it for us. But when we're entering the information for Don Giovanni, the owner of said business, Partner Autocomplete does not help with that. Also important to note, Partner Autocomplete helps when you're creating a new contact. If you're updating details on an existing contact, Partner Autocomplete will not be available. And that's Partner Autocomplete. At the cost of just one credit per contact, you can save time and effort and cut down on mistakes when it comes to building out your business. Until next time, Odoers, and remember, don't be a manual Daniel, be automatic, auto, an automatic Patrick. All right, that's going to work for now. Goodbye.